Welcome back to Tint Pro. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix front door window tinting professionally, step by step. If your tint has bubbles, wrinkles, peeling edges, or dust trapped inside, don't worry. This guide will help you fix it like a pro. Identify the problem. 30 seconds. Before fixing anything, first check what kind of issue you have. Air bubbles are usually small round bubbles caused during installation. Water bubbles are normal during curing and disappear in a few days. Creases or wrinkles appear when the film wasn't laid flat. Peeling edges happen if the tint wasn't sealed properly. Dust or dirt spots come from unclean surfaces. Once you know the issue, you can choose the right fixing method. Step 2. Prep the area. Start by cleaning the entire door panel. Spray a mixture of water plus a few drops of baby shampoo or tint slip solution. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe away dirt. Make sure the window is rolled halfway down. The door frame is clean. There is no sand, dust, or fingerprints. A clean working surface is the key to a clean repair. Step 3. Fixing air bubbles. 60 seconds. Air bubbles are the most common problem. Here's how to fix them. 1. Spray slip solution on top of the tint. 2. Use a hard card or squeegee wrapped with a microfiber. 3. Push the bubble toward the nearest edge. 4. Keep slow, even pressure to avoid creating new lines. 5. If the bubble refuses to move, use a heat gun lightly while pushing. Heat softens the adhesive and smooths out the tint. Fixing creases or wrinkles. 60 seconds. Creases usually happen when film shrinks unevenly. To fix them, 1. Spray the tint lightly. 2. Hold a heat gun 6 to 8 inches away and warm the wrinkle. 3. As the tint softens, use your squeegee to flatten it out. Use smooth, long strokes. 5. Never overheat. Too much heat can melt or distort the tint. Small creases can be repaired perfectly, but big, deep wrinkles might require replacing the panel. Step 5. Fixing peeling edges. 60 seconds. If the tint is lifting near the window edges, 1. Spray slip solution on the area. 2. Gently lift the edge with a plastic razor or fingernail. 3. Spray under the tint to clean dust or dirt. 4. Use your squeegee to press the tint back into place. 5. Seal the edge with light heat so the adhesive activates. If the rubber channel is too tight, roll the window up for at least 24 hours to prevent fresh peeling. SIPs. Fixing dust spots. Dust spots are tricky but still fixable. 1. Gently lift the tint where the dust is trapped. 2. Use a spray bottle to flush the dirt out. 3. Take a tack cloth or clean microfiber to catch loose dust. 4. Lay the film back down. 5. Squeegee from the center to the edges to remove moisture. Work slowly. Dust is the #1 reason tint looks unprofessional. 7. 50 seconds. When repairs are complete, give the tint one final check under bright light. Make sure no bubbles, no streaks, edges sealed, no fingerprints. Let the tint dry for at least 48 to 72 hours. Do not roll the window down during this time. Thanks for watching Tint Pro. If this video helped you fix your front door window tinting, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tinting tips, tutorials, and professional techniques. See you in the next video.